Is the plastic surgery permissible for psychological distress, for example nose job or breast augmentation? Okay, this question should be should ask Sheikh, okay, after taking the consultation from doctors. And for this part we need doctors who have Islamic knowledge. You'll find in the Islamic books about the medical issues, they say الطبيب المسلم الثقة. When you ask, okay, for example about Ramadan, do I have the excuse not to fast because of my health? The scholars say get approval from طبيب مسلم ثقة, a Muslim doctor that you trust his religion. We don't want to ask any doctor, because some doctors don't care about Islam, or some doctors don't have knowledge about Islam. They don't know the importance of fasting. They don't know that fasting Ramadan is one of the pillars of Islam. So regarding this question, we need for psychological distress, okay, so we need a report from a doctor. Then we explain this to a sheikh, to a scholar, or to a committee of scholars. Okay, for example, if you are in a Muslim country, for example here in Kuwait, Saudi, okay, you come to the ministry related to Islam, Ministry of Awqaf, Ministry for Islamic Affairs, and you give them the report from the doctor. And if it is from two doctors, this is better, and you tell them, is it allowed or not? Or if you are not in a Muslim country, also still you can send your question to the Muslim countries. Or for example, if you live in a non-Muslim country, of course there are Islamic centers. If you trust one of the Islamic centers, you send them the question, and inshallah they will give you the answer. So it depends on the situation, okay? Because the psychological issues differ from one country to other countries. In some places this kind of operation is allowed. Other countries it is not allowed. Not because of Islamic points, not because of the Islamic perspective, no, because of the medical ethics. So even the doctors differ. Even the doctors differ. I studied medicine. I graduated from faculty of medicine. So you'll find some issues. Okay, they say in Europe this is not allowed, but for example in Canada or in America this is allowed medically. Why? Because of the medical ethics. So if they differ, okay, you should find this from you trust the doctors. You trust their ethics. Because some of them, their ethics are not good. They don't care about ethics. Okay, so we should be very careful about the surgical issues, because it is not only a tablet, this is a surgery. So make sure before doing surgery.